Hello everyone, let's discuss the problem which is related with the solubility of organic molecule in water. Question is, explain why A is less water soluble than B even though both compounds have same functional group. You can see this is the molecule A and this is the molecule B, and they have the same functional group. For example, we can see in A there is hydroxy group and aldehyde functional group. In this case, again we have hydroxy group and aldehyde, both are having the same functional group, but A is less water soluble and B is more water soluble. We have to explain this. Okay, so we'll simply see which is water soluble. If we talk about the water solubility of organic compounds, okay, it will depend on its extent of hydrogen bond with water. So when the organic compound will form hydrogen bond with water, then that will be more soluble as compared to those which will not form hydrogen bond with water. Okay, in the first molecule, you can see this one, there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Let me explain why there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Because you can see this oxygen will have delta minus and this will have delta, this hydrogen will have delta plus. So there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding in this molecule. Okay, so water interaction, it will not interact much with the water molecule, that's why this is less soluble. Okay, but in this case this hydroxy group and aldehyde is far away from each other, so there is no intramolecular hydrogen bonding in that. Okay, it's not possible because they are far away from each other. So there is intermolecular hydrogen bond. So in this case it will interact with the water molecule by hydrogen bond like this. So this molecule is forming intermolecular hydrogen bond, okay, with the water, but that molecule is forming intramolecular hydrogen bond, that is within the molecule there is hydrogen bond. So with water it interaction will be very less, and that's why this will be less soluble. This will be less soluble, but this is interacting much with the water, hence it will be more soluble. Okay, this is having more interaction with the water because it is forming intermolecular hydrogen bond with water, and that's the reason it is more soluble. So if there is intermolecular hydrogen bond of the organic molecule with the water, then solubility will be more, and solubility will be inversely proportional to the extent of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. We can take one more examples. Suppose we have orthonitrophenol, okay, there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and paranitrophenol, there is intermolecular hydrogen bonding, okay, with the water. Okay, so we can say this paranitrophenol is more water soluble as compared to that orthonitrophenol, because the orthonitrophenol interaction with the water will be less, because inside the molecule itself there is hydrogen bonding, but here because of this large distance there is no hydrogen bonding between these two. So this is interacting with the water molecule and forming intermolecular hydrogen bond. So this is more soluble.